Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel video course tutorials. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the maximum and minimum values from an Excel multiple worksheets. So let's start the tutorial. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have created one new workbook. Right now in this workbook contains sheet 1. Let's add some multiple Excel sheets, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 and sheet 5. In the sheet 5, I am changing the rename to results. Now my aim is, in this results sheet, I want to get what is the minimum and maximum values of these 4 sheets. From these 4 sheets, I want to get which one is the minimum value and which one is the maximum value in these results. So let's add some values here: 23, 45, 90, and in the sheet 4 I am adding 35. Now if you notice, in the sheet 1 we have 23, 45, 90 and sheet 4 35. The maximum value is a 90, which is in sheet 3. Which I want to get the maximum value here, max value, and as well as I want to get the minimum value, and the minimum value is 23 if you compare with these 4 sheets. So let's write the code here. Is equals to, first I am getting the maximum value from these 4 sheets, max. Once you get the max, add the formula here, the function, then go to shift 1, select A1 and copy this whole thing up to where you want to select the cells, copy that one. After that, select shift 2, notice here sheet 2 here, sheet 3 and sheet 4. That's it. Now copy this all, go to results 4. Now here I am adding the maximum sheet 1 to sheet 4. The range I have selected A1 to P23, the cell names. That's it. And notice here we got the maximum value is 90, which is in sheet 3. And now let's get the minimum value. Instead of writing the same code, just copy this one and paste here. Instead of maximum, I am adding minimum function. Here is equals to minimum value. That's it. See, here we got the minimum value is 23 from these Excel sheets. If we change here from 90, here I want to change in sheet 2, I am adding 145, which is the highest number in these 4 sheets. The maximum value is 145. If we check here, see here the maximum value in the result sheet, we got 145. Like that, I want to change this one to -2. Which is the minimum value of these 4 sheets. If you check here, the minimum value is -2 is in the sheet 4. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to get the maximum and minimum values from a multiple worksheets. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. Catch you in my next video tutorial.